Moi and welcome to my Finnish lesson. Today we are going to learn the question words what, mikä, mitä, and how, miten, kuinka. Let's get started. There are two different question words that mean what in Finnish, mikä and mitä. So, what's the difference between them? Let's look at some examples. The first sentence is mikä on sinun puhelinnumero? What is your phone number? The second one is mitä musiikkia kuuntelet? What music do you listen to? In the first sentence, the question is about your phone number, which is very specific information with one clear answer. Mikä is used when asking about the identity, type, or choice of something. In the second sentence, the question is about the content of an action, what you listen to. Mitä is used when asking about what someone does or what something involves. Let's look at more examples. Mikä tämä on? What is this? Mikä on sinun äidinkieli? What is your mother tongue? These are concrete questions about identity, type, or choice. Now compare. Mitä teet? What do you do? Mitä kieltä sinä puhut? What language do you speak? These questions are about the content of an activity. Next, let's look at the question word how, which in Finnish can be miten or kuinka. Here's the first example. Miten se menee? How is it going? Another example is kuinka vanha sinä olet? How old are you? The first example, miten se menee? How is it going? Miten is used in general situations, just like the English how. On the other hand, the other example, kuinka vanha sinä olet? How old are you? Kuinka is often used when asking about degree, amount, or frequency. In this case, age is something measurable. Let's see a few more examples. Miten menet töihin? How do you go to work? Miten opit suomea? How do you learn Finnish? These questions are not about numbers. But kuinka paljon maksaa? How much does it cost? Kuinka usein uit? How often do you swim? With kuinka, the answer often includes a number, although not always. Hyvä. Next time we will learn how to form yes/no questions in Finnish. Nähdään!